All right, I know there's been a couple questions about hybrid for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I know is going to be the first thing, but in your child's backpack, they will have their charger and their iPad, okay? They will come home today. Those need to make sure that their child recharges their iPad and bring it back on Thursday. They need their charger and their iPad back Thursday morning because we will use those in school. Okay, I will be sending home also their blue folders. So their blue folders, they're going to have paper that looks like this. The kids all know where that's at. Okay, that will have their emails, their passwords, anything that they need for Dreambox or for their Clever, because they're going to use Clever, so they'll use Clever to get all that. So all the information is in here. Your kiddo knows how to do these activities, so that is something that they should be able to show you. We've done Dreambox and we've done Epic and Lexia, those kind of things. They know how to log on, okay? Also, I will be also sending home a schedule. So a schedule will come out. It has pictures, like detailed instructions for the kids, and the kids know what those activities look like. Okay, so I'm going to show you on my screen just to kind of give you an idea. Okay, I'm going to switch. All right. So you guys will get a schedule. It kind of looks like this. They'll have a check-in from 7:50 to 8:15. Then they're going to start with, all right, so they have a check-in. So at 8 to 8:15, they'll have a turkey check-in. They just tell how they are feeling that day. Then they will do their wonders. They have a video with a link they click on. And then after that, they have the writing. They'll play the video and complete the activity. And then they'll have a center activity, which their center activity will pop up. It's any of their reading ones that they can do or any of their sight words. So they know what that looks like. And then also they'll have foundations. And then they'll have a video to watch. And then they're going to have a paper to go with it. And then at 12:30, I will send out a Zoom link to them. Okay, on Seesaw to them, and they're going to click on the Zoom link, and then you guys they have Lexia, a math lesson, and then they also have a domino edition, and everything will be on Seesaw. They will know how to click on all of these things to do them. If you guys have any questions tomorrow, remember tomorrow we're just working through this. This is the first time that we're doing it.